Fish, make yourself comfortable. New firmware 1.1.2.0 for the Mic Pro. Before we update, I want to turn this off. I want to try two things. I want to simply take the Pro Mic, plug it in, a blue light will come on, breathing, and turn on the camera. The other way of doing it is simply just turning on the microphone and the auto wake up will happen without power to the USB-C in a number of seconds. Now that we have the Insta360 X6, let's do the same thing by plugging in, looking for the blue light to come on, and turn the X6 on. We have successfully set up our X5, and there is the mic. Let's turn everything off. And repeat the same thing by plugging in the Mic Pro, the blue light, and the Mic Pro has a wake up with the USB-C port that is power. If I had a USB-C microphone, that would be my last option to try. Now that we have new firmware, let's start to download and see if that will fix a problem. Mic Pro optimized version, fix known issues, and improve stability. The X5 was the last camera connected, so let's long press to get this on. 1, 2, 3. And reconnect. Let's just go over and see what our settings are. Record, mute, weak, custom wallpaper, label, -1 dB, tone, standard, format, cleaning screen, ghosting, serial number, and version 1.1.2.0. The X6 was the last one. No need to repeat, but plug in the Mic Pro. There is no blue light. Let's unplug it and replug it to double check. It seems that Insta360 has silently fixed the issue without telling me. Let's just triple check with another cable. Oh, we got a charging light. This is a PD20 cable. Let's plug in this cable to verify fourth time. And now we have a charging lead. No one out there was pointing this out at all of a turn on via the USB-C. And we thank Insta360 for fixing the issue, if so. Things do happen. And I'm surprised no one else out there has found this video and has this issue. And now it's resolved, hopefully. And thank Insta360 for taking care of one issue, and that is the Mic Pro, while they're still waiting to get this battery LED taken care of. So there's one fix, and what do I get? The gratitude and thanks of Insta360. And thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful to you, that it resolved your Pro Mic USB-C charging, turning your camera on. Have a great day.